Hello students. Welcome to today's lesson on reordering of sentences. This is an essential grammar skill that helps us form meaningful sentences from jumbled words or phrases. Let's dive into the concept, tips, examples, and solved exercises. Reordering of sentences, or unjumbling, is the process of putting words or phrases in the correct grammatical order. It sharpens your understanding of how sentences are structured in English. To reorder sentences effectively, you need to follow 7 key steps, starting with identifying the verb and subject, and ending with placing prepositions correctly. Let's explore each one in detail with examples. First, find the verb in the sentence. This helps you locate the action. In the example above, past is the verb. Once you spot it, you're halfway to solving the jumbled sentence. Now, find the subject, the doer of the action. In this case, they is the subject and locked is the verb. Together, they form the basic sentence skeleton. Ensure the subject and verb agree in number. If the sentence is imperative, like giving a command, it may begin with the main verb directly, such as call the manager soon. Next, find the object. It comes after the verb and completes the meaning of the sentence. In the example, the errors is the object. Articles and adjectives should be placed before nouns. When both are present, follow the structure, article plus adjective plus noun. Adverbs describe the action or modify other parts of speech. Their position can vary, so choose the one that sounds most natural and grammatically correct. Prepositions link nouns or pronouns to the rest of the sentence. Understanding their function helps in placing them correctly in reordered sentences. 1. Affirmative, subject plus verb plus object. I like coffee. 2. Negative, subject plus verb plus not plus object. I do not like coffee. 3. Interrogative, auxiliary plus subject plus verb plus object. Are you writing a letter? 4. Exclamatory. How beautiful the bird is. Hurrah! We have won the game. Understanding sentence structures is critical. Based on tone and purpose, sentences can be affirmative, negative, interrogative, or exclamatory. Learn their patterns to reorder with ease. Let's look at some solved examples. Notice how we apply our 7 steps and sentence structures to form correct, meaningful sentences. Sandalwood is valued for its fragrance and medicinal properties. Sandalwood is valued for its fragrance and medicinal properties. Hunting one a boy for a winter he went in morning. One winter morning, a boy went for hunting. More examples. Try reordering these jumbled phrases using the techniques we've covered. Recognizing sentence types helps you solve faster. Do get the forests from what we are products. What products do we get from the forests? Has Hyde Park laid wide range of facilities? Hyde Park has a wide range of facilities. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try to solve these. Then play to check the correct answer on the next slide. Reorder these. 1. Place around don't littering by make that filthy. 2. Lake is for the popular boating and all swimming. 1. Don't make the place filthy by littering around. 2. The lake is popular for boating and swimming. Great work! These exercises sharpen your understanding of sentence structure and grammar flow. Summary. Sentence reordering improves grammar and writing skills. Follow step-by-step strategies, verb subject-object modifiers. Practice regularly for speed and accuracy. To conclude, mastering the skill of sentence reordering boosts your grammar accuracy and comprehension. Practice regularly and remember grammar is the foundation of effective communication. Thank you for joining this session. Keep practicing and stay confident in your grammar journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.